Success isn't just about making money. It's about achieving your goals, living a fulfilling life, and leaving a legacy. The rich and successful know this better than anyone. And they have valuable lessons to share with the rest of us. In this video, we'll be exploring the top 10 lessons from the rich and successful that can transform your life. Lesson 1. Set clear goals. The first lesson from the rich and successful is to set clear and specific goals. Whether it's a career goal or a personal goal, having a clear vision of what you want to achieve is crucial. It provides you with direction, motivation, and a sense of purpose. To set clear goals, you need to be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Lesson 2. Take action. Setting clear goals is important, but it's only the first step. To achieve your goals, you need to take action. The rich and successful don't just sit around waiting for success to come to them. They go out and make it happen. Action is the key to success. Lesson 3. Learn from failure. The road to success is often paved with failure. The rich and successful understand this and know that failure is not the end, but a valuable learning experience. Instead of giving up, they learn from their mistakes, adjust their approach, and keep moving forward. Lesson 4. Develop a strong work ethic. Success is not easy, and it takes hard work, dedication, and perseverance. The rich and successful know this and have a strong work ethic. They are disciplined, focused, and committed to achieving their goals. Lesson 5. Build a strong network. No one achieves success alone. The rich and successful understand the importance of building a strong network of contacts and allies. Networking can provide you with valuable resources, opportunities, and support. Lesson 6. Be creative and innovative. The rich and successful are always looking for new and innovative ways to solve problems and create value. They are not afraid to take risks, challenge the status quo, and think outside the box. Creativity and innovation are key to staying ahead of the competition. Lesson 7. Be resilient. Success is not a straight line. There will be setbacks, obstacles, and challenges along the way. The rich and successful understand this and have resilience. They have the ability to bounce back from adversity, stay positive, and keep moving forward. Lesson 8. Invest in yourself. The rich and successful know that investing in themselves is the best investment they can make. They are constantly learning, improving their skills, and expanding their knowledge. Investing in yourself is a long-term investment that pays off in the end. Lesson 9. Have a positive attitude. A positive attitude can make all the difference in achieving success. The rich and successful know this and cultivate a positive mindset. They focus on the possibilities, not the limitations, and approach challenges with optimism and enthusiasm. Lesson 10. Give back. The final lesson from the rich and successful is to give back. Success is not just about personal gain, it's also about making a positive impact on the world. The rich and successful understand this and use their wealth and influence to help others and make a difference. In conclusion, these 10 lessons from the rich and successful can transform your life. By setting clear goals, taking action, learning from failure, developing a strong work ethic, building a strong network, being creative and innovative, being resilient, investing in yourself, having a positive attitude, and giving back, you can achieve success and live a fulfilling life. Don't wait to transform your life. Start today by setting clear goals, taking action, and learning from failure. Developing a strong work ethic, building a strong network, being creative and innovative, being resilient, investing in yourself, having a positive attitude, and giving back. You can achieve success and live a fulfilling life. Don't wait to transform your life. Start today by setting clear goals, taking action, and learning from the rich and successful. With our help, you can achieve success beyond your wildest dreams. By following these lessons and incorporating them into your daily life, you can achieve success and live a fulfilling life. Thanks for watching.